Welcome to our video on 10 common mistakes beginners make in online share trading. Understanding the stock market. Starting in the stock market can be exciting, but it is crucial to understand the basics of trading before diving in. In this video, we will discuss the 10 most common mistakes beginners tend to make and provide essential tips for avoiding them. Mistake 1. Ignoring fundamental analysis. Overlooking the importance of fundamental analysis. Beginners often fail to conduct thorough research and ignore the significance of fundamental analysis. We will explain why understanding a company's financials and industry is essential for successful trading. Mistake 2. Lack of a trading plan. The importance of having a trading plan. Trading without a proper plan is a recipe for disaster, yet many beginners make this mistake. We will discuss the key elements of a trading plan and how it can help you make informed decisions. Mistake 3. Emotional trading. Controlling emotions in trading. Emotional trading can lead to irrational decisions that result in losses. We will provide strategies to manage emotions while trading and remain rational during market fluctuations. Mistake 4. Overtrading. Avoiding overtrading. Beginners often fall into the trap of excessive trading, which can deplete their capital and increase risks. We will show you the importance of patience and understanding when it comes to trading frequency. Mistake 5. Lack of risk management. Implementing effective risk management strategies. Failing to manage risks can expose beginners to significant financial losses. We will discuss risk management techniques and tools to protect your trading capital. Mistake 6. Chasing hot tips and hype. Avoiding the temptation of chasing tips and hype. Many beginners are easily enticed by hot tips and market hype, leading to poor investment decisions. We will explain the dangers of blindly following rumors and provide guidance on making informed choices. Mistake 7. Neglecting technical analysis. Understanding the role of technical analysis. Beginners often overlook technical analysis, resulting in missed opportunities and wrong market timing. We will introduce you to the basics of technical analysis and how it can assist with trading decisions. Mistake 8. Failing to diversify. The importance of portfolio diversification. Beginners often concentrate their investments in one or a few stocks, increasing their exposure to risk. We will emphasize the significance of diversification and guide you on creating a well-balanced investment portfolio. Mistake 9. Impatience in profit-taking. Patience in profit-taking. New traders often exit profitable trades too early due to impatience, missing out on potential gains. We will provide insights into developing patience and maintaining discipline in capturing profits. Mistake 10. Failure to learn from mistakes. Embracing mistakes as learning opportunities. Beginners often repeat their mistakes without evaluating and learning from them. We will encourage the importance of self-reflection and continuous learning in improving your trading skills. Wrapping up, avoiding common mistakes in online share trading. In conclusion, knowing the common mistakes beginners make in online share trading will help you navigate the market strategically. By avoiding these pitfalls and implementing the tips provided, you will gain a competitive edge and increase your chances of success. Remember, success in share trading requires patience, discipline, continuous learning, and the ability to control emotions. We hope this video has been insightful, and we wish you the best of luck in your online share trading journey. Thank you for watching our video on 10 common mistakes beginners make in online share trading. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies.